Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm gonna get started on my 959 Porsche. This kit I'm building as a buddy build with my friend Douglas over at Douglas Model Garage's videos. He reached out to me and asked if I'd do a buddy build with him, and he has the Tamiya and I have the testers, which is not fair because that's all the parts. But one thing that I did, so I did like a, this is also sort of my entry to the Porsche group build with Chuck's Hobby Spot and Lucas C. Sort of. I mean, I don't really feel like it's a true entry because it's so simple, but anyway, it is what it is. One thing that's interesting about this kit is just branded testers, but on my first video where I was like just introducing this kit and saying what I was going to do with it, I said that there's a Gunzi Sangyo kit that looks almost like it's this kit. Well, on the tree, that the only piece of the tree that I still have says, oh, wrong side, it says Porsche 959. No, it says Gunzi Sangyo on the plastic. So that's what this is. I didn't know Gunzi made such a simplistic kit, but anyway, the body's really nice, and I've already done quite a bit of sanding on the body, get all the parting lines and all that stuff. I'm about to shoot some primer on it. The wheels will have to be some sort of aluminum color, and the interior I'll do something that's super simple. Interior, the seats, there's my phone, but the seats will anyway, I'll try to paint the seats separate than the rest of the interior and the little dashboard. But it's cool. I already installed the rear spoiler. Don't know why they made it black and not body color, but anyway, I already glued it on, sanded it smooth, so I want to paint it in place. So that's where we're at. So I'll shoot some primer on this thing and glue, I almost said glue some parts together, but this is the most simplistic kit I think I've ever had. That's it. I mean, you're looking at the entirety, other than the window right here and the tires. This is it. But it'll look good on the shelf. There's chassis. That's it right there. That's where, I bet that's where your switch would be, on and off switch, for if it was a powered kit, because it does have the little gear for the axle, just in case you wanted to turn it on and drive it across the living room floor. Don't know why you'd want to do that, but there it is. So I got a few little suspension parts. The chassis is just going to be black. Just going to paint it black. Shoot, I don't even have to paint it. May not even paint it. I don't know. But anyway, I'm not even going to detail the engine because really, that's it. Alright, this would have been a four-wheel drive car too. Obviously there's zero detail for it as far as the front differential or anything like that. But alright, so, oh, and I'm going to paint it MCW Cinnamon Stick. It's beautiful, just beautiful paint. Kind of a, not quite the box color paint, but it's kind of a golden, orangish, reddish color. It's MCW 202051E Cinnamon Stick enamel. Alright, I'm going to get with it and get some primer on the old girl and see what it looks like. See if there's any more sanding I have to do. Alright, be right back. Alright, well, I got the body primered. Looks pretty good. Didn't see anything that really need to be addressed, so that's always good. So yeah, turned out nice. Got the interior, got a little paint on the seats just to leather them up a little bit, and I did a suede dash, or leather dash. Other than that, it's just black plastic. It's got a full windshield or windows. So once you get your, a lot of times if you got these with the full glass, they sort of hide a lot of stuff anyway. But anyway, that's gonna do it for the interior. I did leather the boot for the shifter, the steering wheel, the dash, and the seats. Just painted it on there with a paintbrush, and it's that leather. I love this stuff. The leather by Model Master enamel. Stuff's great. So now I've got like 6 pieces left to put together on this thing. Oh, forgot, I painted the wheels. They look nice. So I think that's cool as can be. I just misted them with the AK aluminum right over the black plastic. Yeah, that looks sweet. I'm very happy with how they turned out. So that's going to look nice on the little tires right there. But anyway, alright, so now I shall mix some cinnamon stick MCW enamel and paint this thing. And let's see how it turns out. Stand by. Alright, here is the painted body. Turned out really nice. Very satisfied with that. And let's see. Oh, cinnamon stick is a beautiful color. It's the only jar that I have. I want to try and get more of that. That is beautiful. It is like a burnt orange-ish type color. Yeah, man, it's pretty. Really like it. So yeah. Oh man, am I proud of these wheels and tires. It looks great. I've sprayed them with just right over the black plastic with some AK aluminum. Man, they look great. I think they look fitting to what at least the box is showing here. Just nice, nice, nice. Thought they turned out great. That metal stuff, that metal type paint is just the best stuff that's ever been made. So what I got to do now, just kind of finish up. Interior's kind of done. I got to add the steering, probably shoot some black paint on the chassis, install the windows, and go around the windows, install the glass, the headlights, and around the windows blacken that trim like they've got here, and the windshield wipers, and the mirror, got it painted. It's right here. Yep, that's not going to focus. So yeah, there we go. Cool little car. Simple little model kit. If you can find this model kit and you just want to build something over the weekend, this be the one to do. It won't even take you the weekend. A couple of hours. I mean, you got to paint the body, prep the body, paint the body, get stuff like that ready. You know, that takes time. But it's super simple. One of the most simplistic kits I've built, or I have attempted to build. I ain't built it yet. Yeah, I am thrilled about the paint. Cinnamon stick. MCW enamel. Man, it's nice. Alright, well, I guess I'm just going to cut this video short. Go ahead and end it. Because I got another project on the bench over. It's been taking up some of my time too. And I don't want to just stretch this thing out with segments being days, maybe weeks between the segments, because I forget a lot what's going on. But anyway, again, this is the buddy build with Doug at Douglas Model Garages Videos / Porsche group build with Chuck's Hobby Spot and Lucas C. So that is my update. So whichever one you want to call it, the group build or the buddy build, you be the judge. But there ain't a whole lot to this kit. Douglas has got his Tamiya 959 and it's got lots more parts, so he'll be working on his a little longer. But anyway, alright guys, thanks for watching. I really appreciate you, and we'll see you. Hey, don't forget, before I go, the paint that this is painted with came from hobbynutmodels.com. Always linked in the description of the videos. Go check it out. Click on the link. If you buy something, it gives me a little credit if you use that link. If you don't, still go over to hobbynutmodels.com. Grab yourself some great MCW paint as well as a model kit. Go check out his tuners. He's got quite a few of these Aoshima tuner kits. Go over there. I got a few of them on the model haul, the last model haul you saw. A little pickup truck, little Skyline. Go check out the tuners. They're pretty cool. They're also somewhat of a slump buster because they're curbsides. So kind of like this, something to go have fun, put a good paint job on, paint the interior, and you're done in just a few days. Anyway, go over to hobbynutmodels.com. Also, thank you to all the contributors to the Facebook group. You guys are great. And hey, my Patreon members, thank you guys. I really appreciate you. But most importantly, you viewers, you guys who give these videos the thumbs up, and you few that give them the thumbs down, I give you a thumbs up, because hey, you're watching the video and that's what counts. So anyway guys, thanks a lot for watching, and I'll have this thing buttoned up, put together, and we'll be back on another video to see it all ready to race. Alright guys, take care. Bye.